someone traded in this unit. I asked them what's the problem, the control panel. So let's verify it. What is this? This like terbalik, you know. The light turns on when the temperature is low. Nothing. There's no fan here. This doesn't work. You see, this one works. This one doesn't work. Doesn't work. Nothing here. Nothing. Only this one. Oops. Now this one doesn't work. He sent it for repair twice, the control panel, costing him 500 to 600 ringgit each time. The second time he repaired it, he only managed to use once, maybe twice before it become like this again, not usable. Let's open up and see what is wrong with the control panel. Now the fan works. This is so weird. Oh, it's heating up now. Complaint is verified. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. You see how loose this is over here? You see the burn mark here? Can't find any short circuit here. No burn marks. Looks like the capacitor has been replaced in May 2020. There's only not one side that is shaky. The other one also shaky, so really it's not worth the repair. What I will do now is just salvage some cables, make my coffee roaster.